Well, my hoist is losing fluid somewhere, and I can't get my hoist high enough to lift this car up. So, and we're also out of hydraulic fluid. So, next best thing, Honda power steering fluid, pouring it into the pump so I can get it high enough. The guy supposedly is coming like next week to fix my hoist, but I gotta keep working. Gotta make money with a broken hoist. Another full bottle. If it's good enough for the Hondas, it's good enough for my hoist. Probably need more than 2 bottles. Right, so my bench is completely full of parts. I put some in the back of the trunk. You remember how I was saying in the beginning of the video how my hoist wasn't going up high enough and I was losing fluid? Well, I came in this morning and I guess the hoist completely went all the way to the bottom and my short block was just like up like that. So I put it back up, and then I put cinder blocks on each side of my hoist to just so it doesn't keep dropping it while I leave it here. So yeah, I hope they fix my hoist soon, because I need to I don't want this to keep on happening.